Hello students, today's topic is marketing mix and there are many elements in the marketing mix. These elements are product mix, price mix, place mix and promotion mix. If we combine all elements of marketing mix, we can collectively name it as 4P. Because P is used in every element like product, price, place and promotion. So in short, we know it by 4 P's. And what is it all about? If we combinedly use all these methods, then we are marketing our product. Marketing is a strategy to promote our product in such a way that it will have a lasting effect over the consumers. It starts before the production of a product and it ends after its sales also. Or we can say, if we are going to produce a product, before that we will start our marketing, and generally after sales it is believed that marketing is over after sales, but it is not true. Marketing will go on after the sales also. That's why we are providing after sales service to our clients or customers. So it has four elements: product mix, price mix, place mix and promotion mix. So let's have a short view of the overall marketing strategy. First of all, in the product mix, we have three elements: branding, labeling and packaging. So these three elements are being studied here. Branding means establishing our product as a good brand. Then labeling means whatever is printed on a particular product is its label. And packaging, there are three types of packaging: primary packaging, secondary packaging and transportation packaging. You can take the example of toothpaste, where the tube of toothpaste is primary package, then its cardboard box is secondary package, and its big box of or big carton is used for transporting large number of toothpaste, that is transportation packaging. So in the product mix we will study about branding, labeling and packaging. Then next one is marketing mix. In the marketing mix, next one is price mix. In the price mix we will study about the pricing strategy. So pricing strategy is of 3-4 types generally, like price skimming, penetrating prices, their mixture, and there are two methods. Two different methods are also there. So overall, in short, we can say in the price mix we will study about how to fix the prices of our product. It can be fixed by assuming the cost of product plus our profit margin, or it may be decided by the prices of our competitors. Suppose we have many competitors in the market, then we have to set the price at the lower value. Then only we will be able to sell our product. So it depends on the situation. Next is place mix. In the place mix, we will learn about how the goods will move from producer to the consumer. In between there are different levels, and these levels may be agent, wholesaler, retailer. So, or we can say 0 level, 1 level, 2 level, or 3 level, or it can be said as direct channels, and indirect channels. So generally we have a super stockist which is known as agent. Then he sells goods in large quantity to the wholesaler, and wholesalers sell their goods to the retailers in smaller quantities, who ultimately sell the goods to the consumer. In the 0, 1, 2, 3 level, these two are common, means they are same. 0 means direct channel, and direct channel means here when the producer sells directly goods to the consumer without any intermediary. And indirect channel means 1 level, 2 level, or 3 level. There may be a retailer between the producer and consumer, then it is 1 level. If there is a wholesaler and retailer between the producer and consumer, then it will be called 2 level. When there is a agent, wholesaler and retailer in between the producer and consumer, then it will be called 3 level. So in the place mix we will study about these levels of or channels of distributions. Next is promotion mix. In the promotion mix we will study about the advertisement, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relation. So these 4 topics are in the promotion mix. So we'll study about them one by one in details, but now we have to just take an overview of the whole marketing process. So I am revising it again. The marketing mix is comprised of 4 elements. That's why it is known as 4P: product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotion mix. In every element there are several parts. Like in product mix, we will learn about the branding, labeling, and packaging. Then in price mix, we will learn about the various pricing strategies. In place mix, we will learn about the channels of distribution. And in the promotion mix, we will learn about advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relation. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.